Do you know you can change your settings on X or Twitter to view sensitive media such as maybe nudity or violence or whatsoever, any sensitive media using the Twitter app? You can also set this using the web, but the settings might differ, but it's the same procedure. So once you are logged in, you tap on the icon by your left to open the menu. Then you see settings and support. Then you go to settings and privacy. And under this option, you see privacy and safety. You tap on it and you see content you see, which helps you decide what you see on X based on your preference. Then you tap on it and this is where you configure it. First, you tap on sensitive media. You see graphic violence, adult content, others. So you tap, let's say I want to change this adult content to show all. I can toggle this on to show all graphic content. You can also show this toggle to show all others. You can either set it to 1, like maybe they'll give you a warning display that you want to proceed. But if you just want to bypass them all, you can just tap on show all, so it will show everything by default. So once you are done with that, you go to your search and then you see this hide sensitive content. Then you can toggle this off because I think it's turned on by default. You toggle this off, then okay, this doesn't matter, this isn't related to your content. Then you go to explore. You can decide to show contents in location and the rest, but you can leave this toggled on since it doesn't affect your search. So that is all on how to turn on and off sensitive content on your X account. Do let me know if you find this helpful. See you guys in the next video.